Hey y'all, welcome back to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're going to be making this creamy and delicious chicken pasta. I will be using this pasta brand today. So go ahead and follow the box instructions. So I have about 4 to 5 chicken breasts. I will start by adding some olive oil and we're going to season them up. All my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I'm just adding some onion powder, garlic powder, and a couple other seasonings like blackening seasoning, paprika, a little salt and black pepper to taste. So once I'm finished with that side, I will be flipping my chicken breast over and following the same steps I did for the first side. I am using the Power Smokeless Grill. I'm preheating it on 350 at first. My oven also is preheated on 400 in case I have to stick it in there for a couple minutes. I'm going to add some olive oil and then I'm going to add my chicken breast. I will be, grilling the chicken breast for about 6 minutes on each side. And like I said, I will be checking to ensure it's fully cooked. And then I will add it to the oven to help the process. While that's cooking, let's work on our sauce. I added in a little melted butter, and then once the butter was melted, I added in some flour. We're going to create a little roux, not too much, just a little roux to help create that creamy goodness. And continue to stir. My heat is on a medium heat. And you don't want your roux to brown too much. I just wanted a light brown to help the color of my pasta. So once it's at the color and consistency I would like, I'm going to go ahead and add in some heavy cream and whisk as you go. And like I said, my heat is on a medium heat. Now it's time to season our sauce. I'm adding in some Sazon seasoning for the color. A couple more seasonings. Like I said, I will have everything listed down below. Once your sauce comes to a light boil, go ahead and whisk in all those seasonings. Now for me, the key is to whisk in the seasonings to help break it down so you don't have those clumps. Now we're going to add in about 1 ounce of softened cream cheese. I'm going to help break that up. And that is going to add a more creamy, rich flavor to your sauce as well. Next, I'm going to add in some freshly chopped spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I decided to use spinach and I decided to use it fresh instead of steaming it first. Now I'm going to add in some cheese. And you can add in as much cheese as you like depending on how you like your sauce. Now I turn my heat down to a low to simmer. Checking on my chicken, I'm adding a drizzle of butter on top since this is a smokeless grill. I wanted to create more of those marks and that pretty color on the opposite side. So I will be adding butter as I cook it. Now my chicken breasts are going into a pan. Let's stick it in the oven for about 6 minutes. Now I'm just going to chop up the chicken breast and throw them all in the pot with the noodles. Like I said, this recipe is so easy and simple. After I throw everything in with the sauce, we're going to toss it very well to make sure everything is evenly coated. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines Story. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.